ute exploded in a car park. It's believed the inferno was caused when a gas bottle inside the vehicle ignited.
Loud bangs and fierce heat forced shoppers back.
Red flames, huge, yeah.
Called the ambulance and people panicking.
Their fears went further than that.
We were worried if there was someone in the car, but there was no one.
Fortunately, Kazbis Malaya was at the shops when a gas bottle in the back of his ute exploded, sparking a blaze which engulfed the cabin. The fire then spread to a second car, which was also destroyed. Firefighters arrived in minutes, but it was already too late. Everything Mr. Malaya owned was gone.
2 months I'm homeless, I'm sleeping there, I'm eating there, I'm having shower